You might have heard a lot about GoHighLevel. So today we're going to be discussing about what exactly is GoHighLevel. So let's jump in. So introduction to GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel is all-in-one marketing platform and it's used by coaches, consultants, entrepreneurs, business owners, local businesses, sales and marketing agencies. And it has a lot of tools combined all into one platform. So what exactly is used in GoHighLevel? What kind of businesses are using GoHighLevel and why? So if you're a marketing agency and you have multiple clients, so you can use GoHighLevel to automate your client onboarding, automate your tasks. If you're a freelancer, you can even use GoHighLevel. And if you're a small business, core seller, or consultant, you can use GoHighLevel to capture leads and increase your conversions. I'm going to be discussing about the key features of GoHighLevel. If you're using GoHighLevel for managing your business, what exactly you're getting in GoHighLevel is you are getting CRM for managing your leads and clients. You are getting sites and funnels, website builder if you're running offer. You can build funnel inside GoHighLevel. You can also use email, SMS, and marketing automations for your leads, appointment setting. You have calendar bookings and appointment system. And if you are selling a course or product or subscription-based product, you can do that in GoHighLevel membership and course hosting. So what are the benefits of using GoHighLevel? GoHighLevel is all-in-one solution. You don't need to have multiple tools. Like it has a lot of automations and integration like Stripe, WordPress, Calendly, and a lot more stuff. So it's cost effective. You are getting all of these automations and integrations on a single platform. You don't need to pay separately for each one. So it's cost effective for agencies, local businesses, coaches, and consultants, and it's improved client retention with better services. So it also has custom automations for increasing your efficiency in your business. You can manage your CRMs, as I told you before, and examples how you can use GoHighLevel in your business. You can automate your client onboarding process if you're an agency or a local business, and you can set up a lead capture funnel for local businesses. You can also set up your offer funnels in GoHighLevel, as I discussed before. You can also send automated appointment reminders via SMS or emails if you're doing appointments or your local business. You have customers, a lot of customers coming in, so you can reduce your no-shows and appointments. So you can also create a membership site for your online courses or subscription-based SaaS product. So as a beginner, how you will be getting started with GoHighLevel? So simply, you have to sign up an account for GoHighLevel.com. You can also do a free trial, set up an agency dashboard. You can connect your domains, emails, and phone services. You can create your first funnel or automation workflow. But as a beginner, what exactly you can use in GoHighLevel to start with? So first of all, when you're signing up for GoHighLevel, you will see a lot of tutorials. You will see a lot of options. So you can use GoHighLevel already pre-built templates to save your time. Like if you're building an offer for your business, you can have funnel templates, you can have workflow templates, and a lot of that stuff. You can also join the GHL community for support and discussions to see why people are using GoHighLevel and how exactly they're using, what kind of problems they're having. So it's very good for beginners to start with this. So now we have the conclusion. If you are using GoHighLevel, what exactly it can help you, why you should use GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel can replace multiple tools in your business. As I told you before, you don't need to pay separately for tools and integrations. It's perfect for agencies, entrepreneurs, coaches, consultants, and local businesses. So you can start learning, testing, and building automation from today.